As Elara and her team settled into their new roles within the global coalition, the fight against the Hidden Alliance and Project Titan intensified. The coalition's strategy was beginning to take shape, but the complexities of the Syndicate's operations made it clear that the battle would be long and arduous. The intelligence gathered from the Caribbean facility had provided crucial insights, but it also raised more questions. The intricate network of the Hidden Alliance's operations suggested that their influence reached far beyond what was initially understood. The team's ongoing analysis revealed hidden layers of the conspiracy that interconnected various sectors of society, from technology and finance to politics and media. One of the major concerns was the Syndicate's ability to manipulate public perception. The Hidden Alliance had invested heavily in advanced psychological and media manipulation technologies, designed to sway public opinion and obscure their activities. The coalition recognized the need to counteract these efforts by promoting transparency and informing the public about the true nature of the threat. To address these challenges, the coalition formed a special task force dedicated to countering the Syndicate's propaganda. This task force included experts in media relations, psychological operations, and cybersecurity. Their mission was to develop strategies for combating misinformation, exposing the Hidden Alliance's tactics, and rebuilding public trust. Elara was assigned to lead a critical operation within this task force. Her role was to coordinate efforts to expose the Syndicate's media manipulation techniques and disrupt their propaganda networks. This involved working with journalists, fact-checkers, and cybersecurity experts to identify and counteract false narratives being spread by the Hidden Alliance. The task force's initial focus was on uncovering the Syndicate's network of fake news outlets and social media accounts. These platforms were used to disseminate misleading information, create division, and influence public opinion. The team utilized advanced digital forensics and network analysis tools to trace the origins of these disinformation campaigns and identify key players involved. In parallel, Elara and her team began working on a series of high-impact media campaigns designed to counteract the Syndicate's narratives. They crafted compelling stories, supported by verifiable evidence, to inform the public about the Hidden Alliance's activities and the risks associated with Project Titan. The goal was to provide accurate information and counter the falsehoods being propagated by the Syndicate's media apparatus. The media campaigns faced significant challenges, as the Hidden Alliance had invested heavily in disrupting and discrediting any efforts to expose them. The task force encountered cyber attacks aimed at sabotaging their efforts and spreading further misinformation. Despite these obstacles, the team persisted, leveraging their expertise and resources to counter the Syndicate's tactics. One of the key breakthroughs came when the task force identified a major figure within the Hidden Alliance's propaganda network. This individual, known only by a code name, was responsible for coordinating the spread of disinformation and manipulating public opinion. The task force's efforts to track and expose this figure led to the discovery of a hidden network of operatives and resources supporting their activities. The coalition's operations also focused on addressing the technological aspects of Project Titan. The experimental technologies developed by the Hidden Alliance had the potential to disrupt critical infrastructure and global systems. To mitigate these risks, the coalition initiated a series of cyber defense measures and collaborative efforts with technology companies to enhance security protocols. One significant challenge was protecting the integrity of financial systems. The Hidden Alliance had developed sophisticated tools for manipulating financial markets and influencing economic stability. The coalition worked closely with financial institutions to implement safeguards and monitor for any signs of disruption. As the battle against the Hidden Alliance continued, Elara and her team encountered a series of setbacks and breakthroughs. The Syndicate's operations were far-reaching and complex, and the fight required constant adaptation and resilience. The team remained committed to their mission, driven by the knowledge that their efforts were critical to safeguarding global systems and ensuring a secure future. The chapter concluded with a renewed sense of determination among Elara and her team. The challenges ahead were daunting, but the coalition's combined efforts and expertise provided hope for success. The fight against the Hidden Alliance and Project Titan was ongoing, and the team remained steadfast in their commitment to uncovering the truth and dismantling the Syndicate's influence.